Welcome to A2Zintech.
Today we are going to talk about Runway AI. In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, the synergy between artificial intelligence, AI, and creativity has captured the imagination of innovators, artists, and thinkers alike. Runway, an applied AI research company, stands at the forefront of this movement, reshaping the contours of art, entertainment, and human creativity. By leveraging AI's computational prowess, Runway is pioneering a new era of artistic expression, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and challenging traditional notions of creativity. Key features of Runway AI include the intersection of AI and creativity. Artificial intelligence has transformed from being a mere tool into an active collaborator in the creative process. Runway's innovative approach merges AI algorithms with human imagination, enabling creators to harness the vast computational power of AI to generate, enhance, and manipulate various forms of artistic expression, from visual art to music and beyond. Reimagining art and entertainment. Runway's impact spans multiple domains, reshaping the way we perceive and engage with art and entertainment. By enabling artists to experiment with AI-generated content and innovative techniques, Runway blurs the lines between conventional and emerging art forms. The technology allows for the synthesis of unique visuals, styles, and narratives, leading to the creation of artworks that were previously unattainable, empowering human creativity. Rather than replacing human creativity, Runway amplifies and extends it. The company's tools provide artists, designers, and creators with a platform to experiment, iterate, and explore new realms of imagination. This collaborative relationship between AI and humans has the potential to unlock new levels of creativity, as AI can offer insights, generate novel ideas, and catalyze unconventional approaches. Ethical considerations and artistic identity. As AI becomes more ingrained in the creative process, questions surrounding authorship, originality, and artistic identity emerge. The integration of AI in art raises ethical dilemmas, such as the extent to which AI's contribution should be acknowledged, and whether AI-generated creations possess the same emotional depth and cultural significance as human-made art. In conclusion, Runway's pioneering endeavors at the crossroads of AI and creativity have redefined what it means to be an artist and creator in the digital age. By harnessing the potential of artificial intelligence, Runway is democratizing artistic innovation, providing a platform for both professionals and enthusiasts to embark on a journey of limitless experimentation. As we navigate the uncharted waters of AI-driven creativity, it is imperative to contemplate the implications, challenges, and ethical dimensions of this symbiotic relationship. Runway's visionary path serves as a testament to the limitless potential of AI in reshaping the canvas of human imagination and pushing the boundaries of artistic expression.
Please join the A2Zintech community. Support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing for exciting tech insights and content. Together, let's grow.